Good day, this is Belson John Vitto and welcome to TTL Breaking News. On the headlines of today's important news, technology on its finest. Technology is a branch of knowledge with engineering of applied sciences. With the use of technology for teaching and learning, technology offers a wider choice of materials that can be accessed easily. Second, it helps improve learners' communication skills and performance in school and workplace setting. Third, it provides a fun and engaging learning experiences just like today, a video presentation using technology. Fourth, it helps us learn new skills and new knowledge. Fifth, it allows us to improve both mentally and physically. And lastly, it helps us to stay up to date with new technological advancements. As a teacher, it is very important to demonstrate proficiency in the development and utilization of communication and information and technology resources in promoting quality teaching learning process. And for students, they will achieve success in learning and communication life skills. In technology and teaching learning, it includes the policies and issues in information and information technology. First issue is freedom of expression and censorship. Censorship restricts the transformation and information by blocking it or filtering the information. Blocking is preventing access to whole areas of internet based upon the blacklist of certain internet address, location, or email addresses. And filtering is sifting the packets of data or messages as they move across computer networks and eliminating those considered undesirable materials. Second issue, privacy and security. It includes personal privacy, privacy in communication, and also information privacy. Third issue is surveillance and data retention. Data surveillance is the use of personal information to monitor a person's activities, while data retention is the storage and use of information from communication systems. Fourth issue is e-pollutants from e-waste. Electronic waste contains toxic components that are dangerous to human health. In this core subject, types of non-digital instructional materials, support materials is discussed, such as diorama, nature table, writing board, cliff art, zigzag board, wall display, and rope and pole display board. First, diorama. It is a fun way to build an existing scene in a small space. Small scenes created of layers of materials, all depicting a similar concept or theme. Usually display a historical time period, a nature scene, or fictional situation. Nature table. This is a table that contains objects or scenes related to the current season or upcoming festival or a symbol of an ecosystem. Children love the following of natural changes that our world offers each month, and classroom decorations reflect on this. Third, writing board. A writing board can display information written with a chalkboard or blackboard, or special pens like whiteboard. Although there are usually more effective methods of transmitting information, the writing board is still the most commonly used in a visual aid. Cliff art. It is a large table, tablet, or pad of paper, usually on a tripod or stand. It uses wide-tip colored pens and markers to be read easily from the back of the room to provide contrast that makes it visually attractive. Zigzag board. It is a multi-series of 3 or 4 rectangular boards. They are joined together along the sides by a hinge so they can be easily folded and carried. Wall display. Displaying items on a classroom wall is well known, tried and tested educational method. In a classroom, the display can consist of the children's or students' own work. In development work, it can be used to convey information to the community. And last, rope and pole display board. This board consists of two parallel horizontal poles tied loosely together with rope. Visual aids such as poster can be pinned to the rope. The different uses of digital tools. ICT tools includes desktop and laptops, projector, digital cameras, photocopier, cellular phones or CP, webcams, iPads or iPods, scanners, microphones, interactive whiteboard, DVDs and CDs, and also flash disk. Presentations tools that includes QR code, infographic, electronic portfolio, PowerPoint software, Canva, Visme, Powtoon, and many more. It also includes video editing softwares and applications like KineMaster, Filmora, Windows Movie Maker, photo applications, and GoPro Quick. Surveys, polls, and quizzes tools such as Google Forms, Flickrs, Kahoot, Socrative, Go Soapbox, Quizly, Formative, Poll Everywhere, MicroPoll, Zoho Survey, SurveyMonkey, Typeform, and Survey Notes. Generally, there are a lot of digital equipments, applications, and software we can use to make our classroom instructions more interesting and innovative. As long as we teachers know and have enough understanding the correct usage of new technological advancement. Here are the activities using the tools discussed in this core subject in real-life application. It is more fun if you were able to make it and do it on your own. QR code. QR code consisting of an array or black and white squares typically used for storing URLs or other informations for reading by the camera or smartphone. Just like this. I was able to generate a QR code with my personal information. Try to scan it and know me better. Next is Canva. It is a free-to-use online graphic design tool used to create social media posts, presentation, posters, videos, logos, and many more. This is an online tool I often use. Powtoon. It is the world's leading, most user-friendly, and most intuitive animation software. With Powtoon, anyone can create engaging, animated videos with a professional look and feel. Try to copy and link and watch a video that I make using Powtoon. Google Forms. You can create and analyze surveys right in your mobile phone or web browser. No special software required. You can get instant results as they come in, and you may summarize survey results at a glance with charts and graphs, just like this. Next is Padlet. Padlet is a free online tool that behaves like an online notice board. Using a variety of devices, students and lecturers can access it and post notes on a common page. Next is Tar Papel. It is a combination of two words, which is tarpaulin and papel, or paper. It is a cheaper alternative to tarpaulin printing. The use of tar papel is advisable not only because you can save money, but also helps our environment by minimizing the use of materials that can cause its destruction. The different platforms of flexible learning. It includes Moodle, Google Classroom, and Edmodo, Schoology, Massive Open Online Course, or MOOC. Also, in blended learning, it has face-to-face driver, rotation, Flex, Online Lab, Self-Blend, and Online Driver. Here are some of the social network platforms that we use every day on a case-to-case basis. Those are Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, Tumblr, MySpace, Flickr, and Bamboo. I also learned the bands of Dale's Cones experience, which pupils have the purpose of continuous learning the lesson. Take a look at a glance of this cone experience. Lastly, learning what TPAC is. The technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge known as TPAC. It is a theoretical model describing the capability of the 21st century teacher. It is a framework called TPAC, unites the three knowledge domains of teachers: technological, knowledge, both pedagogical and content knowledge. It examines how certain subjects are interact or functions, combined to boost students' motivations and improves the content's accessibility and student engagement. This is a result of study framework has significantly changed instructional approaches. Always remember that technology is essential in teaching learning, but be mindful in using technology on your utmost responsibility. Once again, this is Belson John Vitto reporting TTL News.
Audio Jungle.